Hello friends, today we will learn 10 body parts. So let's start. Head. This is a head. Can you say head? Eye. This is a eye. Can you say eye? Nose. This is a nose. Can you say nose? Mouth. This is a mouth. Can you say mouth? Ears. These are ears. Can you say ears? Hands. These are hands. Can you say hands? Legs. These are legs. Can you say legs? Feet. These are feet. Can you say feet? Fingers. These are fingers. Can you say fingers? Teeth. These are teeth. Can you say teeth? Teeth. Bye bye friends.